Protesters handed over a memorandum to the presidency on Thursday, demanding legal funding for the legal representatives of the miners who were wounded and arrested at Marikana last year. Directors in the presidency received the memorandum at the Union Buildings in Pretoria. Before the march started, its convener, Bishop Joe Sioka, said the protesters would not rest until they secured state funding.
Fundamentally, it is about funding, not necessarily the lawyers, but all other things that are associated with the commission. But the trust has been set up also to restore the dignity of the Marikana community.
The march was organized by Citizens for Marikana, a group of South Africans who came together through social media on the first anniversary of the unrest at Marikana Northwest. It wanted to appeal directly to Zuma for legal funding in its quest to get to the truth about what happened at Marikana. Counsel for the miners wounded and arrested on the day of the shooting, Dali Mfo, recently provisionally withdrew from the Farlam Commission of Inquiry because of lack of funding. He applied for the commission's hearing to be postponed while he sought funding, but its chairman, retired Judge Ian Farlam, ruled on Monday that it would not be prejudicial to its clients to continue the hearings in its absence. Among the politicians at the march was Economic Freedom Fighters leader Julius Malema. Malema occupied a position at the front of the march and wore a T-shirt bearing the image of Steve Biko.
The only important person in South Africa is the one that belongs to the ANC, and all of us do not matter. By the way, who is the ANC? The ANC is the manager of white supremacy. He manages resources and property on behalf of white minority. That's the ANC. So, because ordinary black people were killed, their life is cheap, no one cares, no one says, hey, let's stop and listen to these people. Remember, as we remember Steve Biko today, black men, you are on your own. Thank you.
Chrissy Jacobs for SAPA.